Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation just makes summarizing the price action very straightforward. So if you would have forced me into a corner, say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me, I would say an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted today and really on Friday. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just kind of, where did all this start? Well, it all started with the breakout that occurred on Friday. And it started with the gap up from, what was that, about 5.5 cents, we'll call it. But right down here, you can see that was yesterday or Friday morning, gapped up, and then from there, pulled back and then just went up and made a nice move. So with that, let's go through the definition. I kind of already spoiled it there, but I'm thinking we can all agree price makes a really nice move. Well, we said it started there, price went all the way up there. I'm thinking, like I said, we can agree that was a very nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the time span of only 2 days, once again, hopefully we can all agree that, yeah, this did happen in a pretty short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Again, where did we say it started? Right around 0.05, 5.5 cents. Where did it close? Right here. So, you match that up with where the price was back here before it all started. It's literally less than where it began in terms of the breakout. And again, if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Am I saying the price can never, ever make another good move? I'm not saying that at all. With these penny stocks, maybe tomorrow it'll be up at 10 cents again. But as far as the movement from Friday is concerned, total pump and dump. It didn't have any sort of true strength behind it. Again, what gives me the right to say it didn't have any true strength? Well, not to insult your intelligence, but if it did have true strength, the price wouldn't be back to where it was, or in this case, even lower than where it was, right? The price would be making progress forward. Not necessarily exploding, but at least starting to build higher bases. And in this case, this is not a higher base, literally down below where it all started. So another way you could kind of summarize this is back to the drawing board for the bulls. Again, to be fair, sure, they could put together another very nice move. But as far as that move from Friday is concerned, total pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.